Breaking news. Wordle enthusiasts seek answer using strategic tips and tricks. In an ongoing quest for linguistic mastery and mental agility, thousands of Wordle enthusiasts have encountered a challenging journey today. On January 22, players faced the daunting task of cracking Wordle puzzle 947. And website Mashable has come to their rescue by providing insightful tips and tricks to aid them in unraveling the elusive answer. For those unfamiliar with the popular online word puzzle game, Wordle dares players to guess a 5-letter target word within 6 attempts. Armed with guesswork, reasoning, and a little bit of luck, participants guess words each round to determine if they are correct, with color-coded feedback providing clues along the way. As the Wordle community eagerly seeks the answer to puzzle 947, Mashable has emerged as a reliable source of strategic guidance. Their comprehensive selection of tips and tricks aims to empower players in their pursuit of triumph. By following these invaluable suggestions, contestants have a greater chance of solving the enigma that has been presented to them. It is worth noting that the tips and tricks shared by Mashable adhere strictly to guidelines outlined by Wordle's creators. They provide genuine support to players without conflicting with YouTube's policies. Mashable has diligently ensured that their content remains respectful, appropriate, and free from any offensive or shocking material. While the quest for the answer to Wordle puzzle 947 continues, players can rest assured that Mashable's tips and tricks will serve as valuable resources, diminishing the perplexity that accompanies each attempt. With strategic guidance in hand, Wordle enthusiasts can renew their efforts, sharpen their cognitive abilities, and claim victory in this exhilarating word puzzle challenge.